Today, you are going to be coming on a journey with me to experience how you can uplift a wall and you really just want to make it warm. I'm here today at a friend's house of mine who's just managed to move in, and we got some stunning stuff from Galmar that is going to really spruce up the area and make it feel nice and warm. As you know, the most important tool you might need in your workshop or any garage setup is a measuring tape. Let's start today by weighing up the wall behind us and finding out the center. So this is what we're going to put on the backdrop for the hats, for the jackets, for whatever bags you might have. This is very cost effective. It wasn't even 40 Rand. So we're going to center it at around this point. I think that is a good average for the normal person. And then don't forget upcycling wherever you can. This little piece of wood I found in the garden, I just wiped it down now, and I think it could put even a further layer or a dimension into the whole creative aspect. Let's take it further. We're going to center this in the middle, and what we'll need is a screwdriver, star, together with a wood screw. And as you can see, you'll need 4 screws, and we're going to be putting in the screw ever so slightly just to fix it through. And then just like that, we'll do the other 3. Okay, so now that we've gotten this far, let's see where we're going to place it. You come with your spirit level. Now that we do that, we just keep it in place, and we'll just put the points on either side. All right, I'm happy with that. So next thing, find roughly the center points. Just mark with an X. You can use a pencil, a pen, a permanent marker. So what I've got with me also to help the job is some masonry nails. I've got the 5mm like we used for the drill bit. They come with the plug to kind of get in between the cement and make sure that it's quite rigid and fastened. And these should fit in perfectly in the hole. Perfect. Now that we get to the fun part, and that's the drilling. We'll screw in the first side. Okay. Look where we are. We have done it. Now we want to finish it off with a little bit of a touch, a customized touch. So it's a hexagonal shape. I'm going to be using them to create a bit of a wash, let me say, of mirror coming across as you enter or exit your home. So these are so simple. They come in pack of 4s, but you don't have to mount anything. You will simply get in the pack of 4 this double-sided tape. So you'll turn it on the back end, peel off 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks, but it does depend on your sort of size, your weight, and your design. Once you've got a couple of these on, you'll just peel off the back end and make sure you get your alignment right, because once it's on, it's kind of on. So, something like that. Now that we got this one on and it's sticking quite well, let's get on to the rest. So we've come quite a far way now. We're at the last bit. It's been very enjoyable doing this, and it hasn't taken a lot of time at all. You can take on this sort of impression. You can work on this throughout the rest of your house. You can go into your bathrooms. You can use the mirror in children's rooms. It really is quite versatile. And I hope my friends will enjoy what I've done in a short amount of time, give or take 30 minutes. And what we'll be doing now is just putting some decor just to soften the space ever so slightly. look what I've found. Some nice storage space that you can use underneath. These you can get from Galmar. They source locally and made locally. You can get different types of finishes, whether it be a tan, a black, and this is like your more brown mahogany type. So this we can put here. This helps when you walk in for maybe dog blankets, gardening tools. It can be for maybe your shoes, gumboots, whatever it might be. Something that you just want to throw in and walk through the rest of your home with. So let me just finish off here. So that's it. Go ahead, get cracking, and good luck. You've got this.
For more DIY solutions, visit Galmar in-store or browse online.